Hey guys, I'm James. Welcome to my channel and my first video. So on this channel, I'm just going to share any projects I'm working on, and these typically include anywhere from automation to web scraping projects. This is the place to be where I'll share all those. So today I just wanted to go through a project I've been working on. The local business lead generator is what I've called it. So imagine this. You're a marketer or local business that wants to check their competitors. Like, one way you can do it manually, you can come on Google local services. You can look up your business that you want to look at all the local services for, and then they've got things like their reviews, their closing and opening times, the name of the business, their website, and you can fill out all these different businesses. You can write them down on an Excel sheet or however you want to track that. But this is a very time consuming task. To do this manually, it could take you hours. So with my tool that I've written on the Apify platform, basically it takes in three parameters. It takes in the business type. So for the business type, you just list what sort of businesses you want. So in this case, we want plumber, electricians, and psychologists. You can add results, like as many as you want. You can also remove results if you just want one business. And for the second parameter, it's just the location. It's good to be specific with this to get the most accurate results. So in this case, we're doing Chatswood, New South Wales, Australia. So we've got the suburb, state, and also country. And for the third parameter, we have max results per business type. So in this case, we're doing 20. So all that means is, for example, you'll get 20 results for plumber, 20 results for electricians, and 20 results for psychologists. Or if there's less than 20 businesses in the area, you'll get less. Otherwise, this is the max. Then once you're happy with your parameters, all you have to do is press start. Alright, we're back. The scraper is finished. You can see it took 47 seconds to scrape 60 results. And that 60 is those three business types times 20 for our max results. So in the output, here we can see it has the business type, the plumber, the name of the business, Rutley Services. We got their phone number, their rating, how many reviews they have, their website, and how many years they've been in business. So we could also just click and have a look at the website if we require any more information. And generally in their contact page, you'll be able to reach out to them. See, we've got an email, number, their availability. And then if you're happy with this list, see, we got the electricians as well. If you're happy with this list, then all you do is press export. And here you've got a list of options of how you want to export it. So in what format. So you can do CSV or Excel if you want an Excel file, or in JSON we'll do in this example. You just press download, save that, and then you have it saved and ready to use for whatever your use case might be. So with that, if this is interesting to you, I'll leave a link in the description of this video that you can go to find my tool All you'll have to do is sign up for an Apify account, which is free, and currently there's a 3-day free trial on my tool, so you can use it for 3 days, as much as you want, and if you're happy with it or find it useful, then you can sign up for a subscription for $20 a month. Otherwise, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments of any scraper ideas that maybe you have, and I can try create them. Thanks guys. See you in the next one.